Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have updated your Windows 10 to version 2004, you might have noticed that the Connect app is missing after updating the Windows 10 to version 2004. So if you type in Connect in Windows search, you don't see the Connect app coming up over here. So in order to get the Connect app, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. Click on Apps, and here you will see the option which says Optional Features. So click on Optional Features and then click on Add a Feature and then type in Wireless Display and then put a check in this box and then click on Install. Now once this is installed, we will go ahead and check the Connect app. Now here you can see the wireless display is installed right now. So you can go ahead and close the setting and then go ahead and type in Connect in Windows search. It might take a couple of minutes to come up. So here you can see the Connect app. After installing wireless display, you can see the Connect app. Click on it and it should launch. So this is how you can get the Connect app after updating Windows 10 to version 2004. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.